We are just about 3 kilometers away from Packsaddle Roadhouse on the way to Tibooburra, and look at this what we found. This is magnificent, guys. When you are in Australia next time, you should come this way, and this is just picturesque. Look at the beautiful wild flowers and the red sand and the kangaroo pose. And you can see the kangaroos been walking through here. This is magnificent. This is so pretty. I don't have words to explain it. We are on our way from Packsaddle to Tibooburra, and we just come across the historic drive. So I'm going back to the car now, see what else we can find. Hello everyone, we hope you all are enjoying the videos. We are near Milprinka. Milprinka is a small mining town. It was a mining town near Tibooburra, and we can't get to there today because of the recent rainfalls and the road conditions are not safe. So sorry for that, but we thought better share this monument with you guys. And it's just off the road. You guys really have to come to this part of the world to see it. It's just beautiful. There's so much to see and do in this area, and I don't think I'll be able to share everything with you guys, but I hope you are enjoying whatever I'm sharing, and just keep watching. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Hello. This morning when we started our journey, we stood near that signboard saying, the roads are open or closed. The reason why we checked that was because we come through some heavy rain today, and this is our luck, and now this road is closed because you can see the water is flowing over the road, and we can't take any risk because we don't know how deep the water is and how much mud in there. That's why when you are in Australia on these remote roads, always make sure the road conditions before you get on them. And we have been in contact with RTI, and it's been another half an hour maybe before the water go down, and then we safely drive through it. When you are in Australia next time, when you see a road flooded like that, never drive through it if you're not sure. Alright, but I'm enjoying the day, enjoying the weather. It's nice to see a bit rain in this part of Australia. Loving it. Look at that water. I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Keep watching, plenty more to come.